First, check the system to make sure the family or child you're working with is not already set up. You need to select this tab here. On the Check for Case page, you can enter the surname of the family in this box here, and perhaps you might want to enter the date of birth. It will help narrow the field down to a specific case you're looking for. When you've entered some details, press the search button here. And as you can see, we don't have any cases matching the surname of the Johnson family, so we'll need to start a new case. For this, we need to go to the top and select Start a New Case.